I've now put on my sterile gown and gloves after washing my hands very thoroughly, and I've arranged all of the equipment for the chest drain insertion on the sterile field. We have a drawing up needle and a green and an orange needle with a syringe full of lidocaine 1%. We've got the cleaning equipment, scalpel, the insertion needle on the syringe, dilator, the chest drain wire, the chest drain itself with the stiffener inside, the chest drain 3-way tap connector, the connector for the chest drain tubing, one suture, and then some gauze and a pad for attaching the drain afterwards to the patient. Below the table we have our chest drain bottle and chest drain tubing with sterile water to the prime line.